How to enable Windows Biometric Service on Windows 11 PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Click on search icon at bottom left corner on your taskbar and type service. Under paste match, you need to locate services and then right click on open button. On this window, you can easily expand it and find out Windows Biometric Service. So once you locate it, you need to right click on the Windows Biometric Service and select Properties option. Now set the startup time to automatic. Then you can easily click on Start. Then you need to click on Apply button and then select OK. This ensures the service starts automatically every time you restart your PC. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.